Hi guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. Today is December 19, back in the Philippines. It is only December 18, 11 o'clock at night in Arizona. I will be talking about situation back home, and it has been 3 days since Typhoon Odette or Typhoon Rai, and I will be also talking about situation about my brothers and sisters back home. So stick around, and if this is your first time, please support my channel by liking and subscribing. Welcome back. It has been 3 days since the last time I heard from my dad. Before they were evacuated, I talked to him, and it seems like he's just like on his own world. Like he's not even worried about everything. He's just like, I said, Dad, you guys gotta pack, get ready, pack all your belongings, everything, the food and stuff. Buy some water, and he just said, it's okay, honey, don't worry. He's just like, he's the guy that even in the middle of war, he would be the most calmest person I have ever encountered in my life. He's just like, I think what it is, he just want me to be calm and not worried about them. So that's my dad, and I wish I have that character. I can just be, I can just be calm in the middle of warfare. That's my dad. So, the last time I heard, I was already sleeping. My niece said that they are being forced to evacuate to the evacuation center. And she said that her grandpa does not want to evacuate. So that was the last time. But I just found out today, after 3 days, that he did actually, because he was being forced. But that was the last time, and that is it. I have not heard from them since then. I know for the last time I talked to my dad, they only have like probably 5 kilos of rice, and maybe only a dozen of sardines and beef loaf. They like to have that, and noodles, but that's not very much. It's been 3 days. There's 12 children in the house. So my nephews and nieces also went with them, and I haven't heard from them. Apparently there is no communication. The cellular tower are down, both Globe and Smart. And then the worst part is there is no electricity and there is no water. So I'm kind of like helpless. I know I'm not alone in this. I know there's thousands and thousands of people are worried about their family back home, because these two haven't heard from their family. And looking at the video on YouTube, it's so heartbreaking. And sometimes I just want to sit in the corner because I'm helpless. I do not know what to do. And I can't send money, because what is money if they can't use that? There is no electric over there. Their cell phone is not charged, so I can't get hold of anyone. There is no cell site. I'm just going crazy, and I don't know how to manage this, and I'm trying to be strong. Yeah, and then I heard from the people who lives next door to my dad, who communicated with my niece from Cebu City, that my dad's house has been destroyed, and my nieces, which is my adopted children, I don't know, where are they? I do not know. I don't know if they have some food right now. I don't know if they have place to at least sleep. I don't know. I don't know if they are still in the evacuation center. I'm just so worried. That's all. And then I also heard just today, no wonder I can't get hold of them, my sister who lives in Calumbuyan, Buhisan, her too, and my other brother, the father of the children that I'm adopting, his house is also destroyed, and my sister's house is destroyed. They are living on top of the hill, so I heard that it's totally obliterated, the house, their house. So I can't get over them. I am feeling so helpless. I can't send money because there is no way for them to get it, because all of the money center are not open. So I don't know what to do. I am able to get a hold of the person who went to visit her family in Dumanhog, and she is currently living in Cebu City, and she said that she's gonna go to Dumanhog next week, bringing some relief goodies to help her family. And I'm hoping that I can talk to her and to bring some cash to my family, so I can help my family. Hopefully she'll be able to do that for me. I do not know yet. It's just so heartbreaking. I don't know. I have no one to talk to. I'm just so worried about this. And I know I'm hoping I am very I'm very, very positive that I'm hoping everybody is just okay. I just can't handle the fact that I do not know what's happening. I know I do not know if they have some food, they have some water, if they have some blanket, or they have some bed to sleep on. I do not know. I don't know what's going on. And none of my brothers from Cebu City that can go over there and check my dad and the children, because they too are needing some help. So, and now nobody can tell me if the road is safe to go over there to travel to Manhog from Cebu City. I heard that people can go through by just bike. I wish I am there. I can just go and help my dad, but I don't know how to do that. I do not know. Hopefully someone can reach out to my family, and they live in Purok Ylaya. It's just about 5 minutes walk to Gaisano. They are just by the highway, close to the road. So if anyone that who are watching this, if you are from Cebu City and you have family back home in Dumanho, please reach out to me, and let's set a time what we can do. I need some help to help my family. There are like 8 children in that house. 3 of them are my adopted children. 4 of them are my nephews and nieces. They're tiny, 1 year old, 4, 7, 6 and 7, and 11 and 13 and 16. I do not know if they are safe. I have no news from them, so I need to stop crying. Yeah. Please reach out. You can reach out to me on my Facebook page. I am going to put down the link down below. I would really appreciate it if anyone can reach out or can direct me on how I can help my family. I don't know. I'm going crazy. I'm sorry, guys. I did not mean to cry. I did not mean to. I'm just feeling so helpless. It's been 3 days. I haven't heard from my dad, and he's 83 years old, and I'm not sure if he has taken his medicine to evacuation center. I'm not sure. He's 83 years old, and he's not, strong as he used to be. He's a little bit weak, so he's the most I am worried about, and the youngest one. Luckily, I heard that there was no flooding, so that's blessings. But I heard that the house is totally destroyed. So, yeah. I don't know. Alright, thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.